River water pollution is an issue that affects everyone. Clean drinking water is a basic human right. But many states lack access due to pollution from trash, chemicals, and changing their water sources. According to CDC.org, all U.S. water comes from surface, ground, or recycled water. These sources are being polluted, chemicals, pesticides, and this issue needs a resolution to prevent further damages. All states contain some type of water pollution, but the Colorado River is a 1,400-foot long river that runs from Colorado to Utah, Arizona, Vegas, California, all the way down to Mexico. Over 40 million people use the Colorado River for a water source for consumption. This is a photo of Colorado's river in 2008 compared to 2021. Colorado's biggest cause for pollution is raw sewage, radiation, as well as waste. And if we don't take effect now to fix this issue, many bad things could happen. 10 other rivers will face this environmental risk soon, as well as sea creatures will be affected. They will affect the rest of the food chain, as well as there'll be a 30% demand in clean, fresh water. There'll also be an increase in deadly diseases such as chlorea, diarrhea, and dysentery. Michigan, more specifically the Flint River, is a water source that has been contaminated with corrode from pipes, lead, as well as trash. This is important because this is a graph showing how bad the lead and copper was in the Flint River. In 2016, there was a spike because of the and recently but still, this is really bad, and people die just from drinking this tap water that we should be having as well. This is a visual. And this is the water that they had to boil to drink. Legionnaire diseases killed 1,270 dozens of people. So, what can we do? To start off, we can use less plastic, as well as not littering, using less water, improperly disposing of chemicals, optimizing use for laundry and dishwashing, and minimizing the use of pesticides, herbicides, and chemicals. Bigger action. Wastewater treatment, water conservation, digging all the pipes and replacing them. Promoting and funding organizations to help, for example, American Rivers Association, which helps with this type of issue. Here are my sources. Thank you for watching.